In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clone HubSpot content. To do that, first head over to the content that you want to clone. For example, let's head over the content and then let's head over right here into our blog. I'll head over and go over and then try to actually clone my blog. Do take note that aside from the content, you can also clone your emails as well as the tasks and the likes. So as you can see right here, I have in here my email. Just click on this action. And you can see right here this option for summarizations and the likes. So we just need to clone this right here. So in order to clone this, you can just head over and then click on clone and then click onto this clone right here. Then rename the clone right there. So for example, let's name this as survey. Then from there, choose the email type and click on clone. After that, it will be cloned. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to do so by clicking on the affiliate link on the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.